Shota Rustaveli Tbilisi International Airport, formerly Novo Alexeyevka International Airport, is the main international airport in Georgia, located 17 kilometers southeast of the capital Tbilisi. Overview: February 2007 saw the completion of a reconstruction project, with the construction of a new international terminal, a car park, improvements to the apron, taxiway and runway, and the acquisition of ground handling equipment. A rail link to the city centre has been constructed, with an infrequent rail service of 6 trains per day each way. George W. Bush Avenue leads from the airport to downtown Tbilisi. The airport has a contemporary and functional design. It is designed to provide the optimum flow of both passengers and luggage from the parking lot to the planes, with a 25,000 square metre total usable area. There is scope for future expansions without interrupting terminal operations. It has high-tech contemporary systems, keeping passenger convenience and efficiency of the terminal operations in mind. Throughout, functional space is organized in an elegant manner. The food and beverage operations are carried out by BTA at 7 points with a staff of 75, while ATE provides duty-free services at its 4 stores. The total project cost was $90.5 million. The capacity of the new terminal building is 2.8 million passengers per year. The implementing agency and the borrower for the problem is TAV Urban Georgia, a concessionaire and special purpose vehicle for the construction and operation of the airport. History: the first airport terminal building was constructed in 1952. Designed by the architect V. Burids in the style of Stalinist architecture, the building featured a floor plan with symmetric axes and a monumental risalit in the form of a portico. The 2 side wings featured blind arcades in giant order. A new terminal building was finished in 1990, designed in the international style. In 1981, Tbilisi Airport was the 12th largest airport in the Soviet Union, with 1,478,000 passengers on so-called central lines, that is on flights connecting Tbilisi with cities in other Soviet republics. In 1998 the number of passengers had shrunk to 230,000 per year. Tbilisi International Airport is operated by TAV since October 2005. In Georgia, the company also operates airport in Batumi for 20-year terms starting from May 2007. TAV Airports Holding, which owns 76% shares in Tbilisi Airport operator TAV Urban Georgia, agreed with the Georgian state-owned United Airports of Georgia to reconstruct the unused runway, one of the 2 runways at the Tbilisi Airport. The old runway will be reconstructed and extended according to ICAO standards and CODEF regulations and will be able to accept all type of aircraft, including the Boeing 747-8, Airbus A380-800, Antonov 225 and Antonov 124. A new F-code taxiway is also planned. Passenger traffic at the airport more than doubled between 2009 and 2013 to almost 1.44 million passengers. Airlines and destinations. Passenger cargo. Statistics. See also, List of the busiest airports in the former USSR, List of airports in Georgia, Transport in Georgia. References. External links, media related to Tbilisi International Airport at Wikimedia Commons, official website, current weather for UGTB at NOAA NWS, accident history for TBS at Aviation Safety Network.